Hi, it's Tevin from livinglifecustom.com. In this video, I'll be covering stencil sizing. So in particular, I'll be taking a look at the Louis Vuitton stencil. So on social media as well as by email, I've been receiving quite a bit of questions with regards to the sizing of stencils that should be purchased whenever working on a project. So that depends on personal preference whenever you're painting your shoes or airbrushing your shoes. So if you have a larger size shoes, then you choose what size stencil to work with. Alternatively, if you have a smaller size, and in particular these infant size shoes here, normally I would go with a smaller size stencil unless you're going for like a larger size print on the pair of shoes, or if you're printing here on the toe box. So at the moment we actually carry 3 different size stencils, which are the large 3/4 inch, then you have the 1/2 inch, as well as the 1/3 inch. Hopefully in this video I'm able to sort of give you an idea of the different sizes and the comparison of the different sizes and which one you should choose whenever you're about to work on your project. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because we will be posting a lot more videos like this, walking you through step by step or either demonstrating anything that may be of value to you. Okay, so here we have 3 different size stencils. We'll start from right to left. We have the 1/3 inch, 1/2 inch, and the 3/4 inch. So if you're not familiar with the sizing, what you can do is go on Google and convert it into the correct sizing or measurements that you currently use. So just off screen here, we have a 13.5C infant shoes, which have the sizing of this here. Now, it depends on which size shoes that you're working with. You'll choose the size stencil that you want. So in particular, if you were doing, let's just say, these particular shoes, I would go for the 1/3 inch because they will be more ideal sizing for the smaller size shoes. And for a larger pair, it depends on your preference. You can go with either 1/2 inch or the 3/4. Alternatively, if you want to have that particular look for a smaller size print, you go for a 1/3 inch. I hope this video helps in some way for you identifying the size stencils that you need for whichever particular project that you're working on. If you have any additional questions, you can comment below inside of the comment section, and I'll try my best to get to it as soon as possible. Also, you can find these stencils on livinglifecustom.com. Alternatively, if you do purchase some from someone else, this video actually comes to mind and it helps you choosing the right size stencil.